Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app, Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. Now let's get into the next one about Uber launched Trip Radar. So, Uber made a massive update to the driver app where basically now they have Trip Radar and it's expanding too. So, they're expanding. Yeah, we'll watch this video and then we'll talk about it afterwards, okay?
Okay.
Thumbs up the video, guys, if you're watching this.
I don't like this. The Trip Radar on Uber Eats is extending to Rideshare and UberX. Now, Trip Radar, it sends out requests to multiple drivers. It doesn't give you the time yourself just to see if you want it or not. And you can wait for an order, but that's the point. You want to park, sit, and wait for a request. So I found on Uber Eats, the Trip Radar, they seem like the leftover orders. They're not very good. Or anything that's decently good, it's chosen immediately. Comment below what you think. I don't like this.
So I think basically it gives you a list of rides to do, to choose from as a driver.
Okay.
And you can choose which ride you want.
Oh.
Yeah, that's pretty
That's
interesting.
nice.
Yeah, that's what Instacart does. Like with Instacart, batches pop up and you can choose them. So you don't, it doesn't like automatic. Like you get like batches, there'll be a list of batches and you choose which one you want.
I don't know how I feel about that.
Your driver, Mike, shout out to your driver, Mike. He doesn't like it.
I feel like there could be some kind of like discrimination here or something.
Love the car. What do you guys do for a living?
I'm actually a professional cloud chaser. I just mooch off Logan Paul on a lot of roads.
Okay.
And I eat off his plate. And I eat
It's
off his
Aiden
plate.
Ross.
Okay. Awesome car.
Sorry, that was just the next clip.
We were at brunch yesterday, and this like table of people were walking by, and they recognized me, and they were like, "Yo, girl defined." It's been like,
Oh, do you watch those guys? Oh, don't watch him.
Cody
I don't like
Ko,
this.
yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I was just watching his like interview with Mr. Beast yesterday.
Oh.
Love the car.
Man, I asked someone, like, how much is America in debt? And they were like, this many trillion. And then I asked a rhetorical question, but the dumbest question I've ever asked myself, I said, well, how much does the earth cost? Think
It's
about
not a bad question.
But
How much is the earth worth?
Yeah,
right
what
now?
is the earth
Everything.
worth?
Okay, we're getting a little off topic here. Let's see. So yeah, that's Uber Trip Radar.
Someone asked
I
in
don't
the
like
comments.
this.
I have another question. I have one question.
Okay, what is it?
I don't know. They haven't asked it yet.
Okay, yeah, ask a question. Let's do a quick Q&A session. You guys like my fireplace? It's totally
The fireplace on top of your fireplace.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
Yeah, it actually makes the room hot. Oh yeah, Lalit says, oh, TomTom says baby milk.
What?
I don't know.